Hello guys, this is your take home culinary writer service again. How we're gonna cook today our pork stew nilaga with tofu. Okay, this one. So let's start. Slice our meat just like that. You slice with the side slices. Okay, I slice it with just like that, and I wash it with a maggot river water. Add a little 3/4 pot of water. Fill it up. Then use one onion, but if you're rich, you can use 3. Then add 1/2 cup of fish sauce, diluted amount of pepper. Hala, MSG, put it in a bowl, then move the skunk of the universe, just like that. Okay. Prepare your veggies, our pechay, our bananas, our repollos, and our tofu. Just like that. Full video at my YouTube channel. Watch the veggies again, just like that. Separate the bananas. Then, and if it's tender, poke it, try it. If it's tender, then put your bananas and your tofu, cook it well. But after I finish this video, please follow me at my YouTube and page. Thank you.